So Deacon, you know, for the benefit of our viewers out there, as I said when we began the show, you are really a blessing for us in Alhikmat studio and for our viewers worldwide. You know, people, a lot of people out there believe, Muslims believe that Americans don't like Muslims, white people don't like Muslims. You know, I'm just telling you how some of the Muslims in other countries who are not exposed to the people like you, they just hear the bad side on the media. They hear all the anti-Muslim scenario, all the anti-Islam, all the anti-Quranic things. So they live into a little inferior world of fear and scare that Americans don't like us, Americans hate us. And you know, I mean, on the other hand, you do have some crazy people on the Muslim side, like in every other religion and world.
Sheikh, may I just say that as a white Christian American, I urge all Muslims, to stand up for their rights of equality and goodness, to stand up for what they have to bring to the table, love and peace. And this is what Islam is about. And it's so unfortunate and short-sighted that many of my confreres don't see that.
Yeah.
But for Muslims to feel inferior in any way, that's anti-God.
Of course, we're not supposed, you know, that's the whole reason why we have a show like this on Alhikmat TV. Because I want to have people like you, I want to have viewers worldwide to understand it's not how you just think, it's what's the real thing.
And Christians often forget their own history, that they were in catacombs and under the ground and being hunted and murdered. This is what's going on today, hostility toward Muslims, and it's sin. That's what it is.
And I think some of our non-Muslims, they look at those few radicals and extremists, human beings, and I would not just say Muslim representatives. They do not represent Islam. You know, radicals, extremists, whether it's the Al-Qaeda or the ISIS or whoever propagates hate and killing and murder. Many people look at these minority people like you cannot look at a criminal in America and tarnish the name and reputation of all good people of America. You cannot. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's a misunderstanding, and it's people like you who can really educate